Hello and welcome to this video about the mobile workspaces within D365 for Operations. My name is Jens Christensen. I'm the program manager for Western Computer, and what I'd like to show you today is a little bit about how the mobile workspaces have been evolving since it was released back in November. If any one of you have seen one of my past posts, I showed you how you can create your own workspaces within D365, and you can check out the YouTube channel from Western Computer where that is shown. Since it was released back in November, Microsoft have gone ahead and created some of their own workspaces and published them to general availability for us to have available. And some of them that are being created, those are the ones that I'd like to show you today. And then also show you a little bit about how you can access them and what's required for you to get access to these new workspaces. So the first thing I want to show you is that once you've installed the hotfix, it's actually a hotfix you need to install. Once you have installed that hotfix that relates those mobile workspaces, what you can do is you can go into your D365 operations and look underneath your system administration and your system parameters. You now have a menu item called Manage Mobile Workspaces. This is where you can actually publish your mobile workspaces that are available within your application. It can also be your own personal mobile workspaces if you have generated or created or developed some yourself and want to make them generally available here. So by publishing it here, it now becomes available for your phone. Last time I showed you how you can access the edit version or how you can create your own mobile workspaces, and in order to get access to that menu item that allows you to do that, you have to extend your URL with this piece up here, the and mode equal mobile. Once you've done that, a new menu item will appear here underneath your settings. It's called mobile app. So I've run these, I've published these mobile workspaces, and I'm going to click my mobile app, and now you can see these are the ones that now are published within this application. And the only ones you can see right now is, because we have a new environment, are only the ones that are been published by Microsoft, but you can still import workspaces and delete workspaces, so you can create your own workspaces as well. So I'm going to switch over to my screen on my phone so I can show these available workspaces. So let me just refresh the screen here. And I'm going to go ahead and click Dynamics 5. So the sign-in screen on my Operations app is URL for the application and then the company that you'd like to connect to. I'm going to go ahead and click Connect here and connect. And I'm going to log in. And here you see them. So the current ones that I have installed are the cost controlling, inventory on head, sales orders, and vendor collaboration. And this gives you the ability to check up some information while you're on the road. Example is the inventory on hand. You can go in, you can check what you got available for any item that you have in the system. One of the cool things that I think that they have in here is that they have the dynamic searching. So as soon as I go in and I start typing, it will automatically filter. So I will go in and do this, for example, AA0002, and now I can check my on-hand information for this item, and I can then select to check it between the site, warehouse, location, batch, inventory status, etc. So I'm going to go ahead and click by warehouse, and then I can check the on-hand inventory. So some of the cool things that makes this available here is also that you have the ability to, let me just refresh the screen here. You can see it. There we go. So this is the different on-hand information that I have for this item here. So you still have the ability to go in and take a look and see even the one that are published for Microsoft. You can go in and you can look at how it's been developed and even do some slight modifications on it. What's important to show you is that last time I showed you how you can use the recorder or use the recording inside of your D365 to generate your workspaces. Additional logic can also be applied by using a JavaScript file. So if you know how to write JavaScript, you can use that to do all of your logic within a mobile app as well. So lastly, what I want to show you is where you can get all this information, and you can get it under your wiki. So in the Dynamics 365 Operation Help Wiki, if you search for mobile workspace, one of the articles that you get up here will give you a list of what's available workspaces. Each of the workspaces also has a link to a more detailed description, and in that detailed description you also get information on what the requirements are for you to set it up. So you see here you need to have what version of D365 that it needed for, and also what kind of hotfix that you need it for. Once that's installed and you have built and synchronized your database, then you should be able to see them within your D365 operations. Thank you for taking your time to listen to me today, and should you have any questions, please contact Western Computer, and have a great day.